Hello everybody, SAFs Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues. It's an easy process, so let's start. So if you think if you don't receive any emails from your Gmail account, then today's video will help you. So first of all, just you have to check up your storage is full or not. If your phone storage is full, here you can see the storage of mine is 22 GB is free, so I always received all the emails from my Gmail account. So if you see your storage is full, just clean some images, videos or files so that your Gmail apps will receive the emails from everywhere. So after that, if this don't work, just go to your email options, and then you can see storage used option 0% of 15 GB. So just click on the storage used options, and then after that, network issues. After that, you can see the storage you have used on this mail will shown there. So just click to the if you see the storage is full, you have used all the storage from your account, just click to the clean up space options and then click some picture or emails or some like that. After that, you will receive emails from your Gmail account. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.